Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'm going to talk about the important anti-inflammatory peptide known as KPV. KPV is the peptide fragment which has very strong and very potent anti-inflammatory property. KPV is naturally produced in our body and is found in hormone alpha MSH. KPV works at the cellular level. It enters the cell and then enters the nucleus of the cell, where it blocks all the anti-inflammatory pathway, thus improving your overall inflammation at the cellular level. Because of its strong anti-inflammatory property, KPV has been used in a wide range of inflammatory conditions like ulcerative colitis, psoriasis, inflammatory bowel syndrome. KPV also has immunomodulatory property and antimicrobial property. It's also used in autoimmune disorder and also to strengthen the immunity. KPV can also be taken in combination with BPC-157, which is another anti-inflammatory peptide. When it's taken in conjunction with BPC-157, it gives you the synergetic improvement in body's inflammation. Benefits of KPV may include improving overall inflammation in the body. It may improve the symptoms of GI issues like inflammatory bowel disease, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's. It also improves your overall GI health for better absorption of nutrients. KPV also improves or strengthens immunity. KPV accelerates the wound healing and improves the injury repair. So it can be used to improve the symptoms of joint pain, especially for athletes. Topical KPV improves your skin health, improves overall inflammation of the skin, and improves overall skin appearance. So KPV is a very good peptide to improve not only your GI inflammation but also overall inflammation. Subscribe for more videos.